Welcome to my Wednesday walkthrough video series where I'm going to take you on job site tours every single Wednesday. I hope you enjoy this video.
All right, got all the walls skim coated in the Indian Harbor Beach condo renovation. The curved ceiling is built and re-drywalled the whole kitchen area after extensive reconfiguring and metal framing tear out and more metal framing to create the curve. Got the sound break drywall finished. It's ready for another coat of mud and then sanding and an orange peel texture. That's to cut down on some noise over in the neighbor's unit. And that was put up with some green glue on top of existing 1/2-inch drywall and then a green glue sealant.
I'll leave links to other videos in the description below.
Did 2 skim coats of the walls. Another curved area. There's some ductwork hidden behind that. Kind of a neat feature in this condo. More sound break board. This is where the home theater media room is. So we wanted to eliminate some of the noise. Again, going over to the neighbors. And that will definitely do it with the sound break and green glue combination. A lot of times these condos have some loud plumbing from the common plumbing going through the walls. This bathroom has some going through its walls, so we put some sound break in there to eliminate that as well. Moving on to the master bedroom. Lots of stuff going on. Lots of tear out. Lots of metal framing areas. They're changing the whole look and layout of the master. Gonna have a nice glass enclosure shower. Closet was tore out, metal framing was tore out. That's all a concrete ceiling that I've skim coated. This whole area is gonna get an orange peel texture as well. Master laboratory room. We put the sound break up because again, the plumbing goes through the walls and you can hear it when someone flushes the toilet or takes a shower. So that should eliminate the plumbing noises that are kind of just irritating. You don't want to hear it. Gonna skim coat this whole master.
Let me know in the comments if there's a particular type of job you'd like to see me do a tour of.
Curve feature we put in right here at the foyer. Got another coat of mud to do on that as well. All these walls are skim coated in the foyer. All this is going to get an orange peel texture, all the skim coated walls. Had a heavy knockdown. Wasn't really a good look, just kind of sloppy. This is the other side of that master bedroom, bathroom. More of the sound break and green glue. Again, to eliminate the loud plumbing. I don't know if you've noticed, but all the drywall's been cut up about 4 to 6 inches. We're going to do an inset baseboard with a reveal shadow bead. So the baseboard will actually be inset in the walls. It's going to be a nice modern look. I've never done that before, but I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. So stay tuned. Flooring's going in today and for the next week or so. Large 30-inch tiles, porcelain, no grout. This floor they're going to make perfectly level.
I'll also leave a link to my Amazon store in the description.
And then we're going to put in the inset baseboard and continue this renovation with some orange peel texture, priming, painting, knockdown texture matching on some of the areas where the new fire sprinklers were put in. So here we go. It's a beautiful day in paradise.
And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below. Thanks so much for watching.